Yeah, so this is what happened with the hurricane that passed through in New York. This tree right here in the middle of the road, in front of my neighbor's house. Woo! And some other people here taking a look at this stuff. I'm gonna go in a little closer and see what this looks like up close. Recording this on my Android phone. Alright.
What's up, ATL? Y'all know who this is. Y'all worried about me. I just wanted y'all to know I'm okay. If y'all want to see what it's looking like in New York.
This is great. I've never seen anything like this before.
Example of what Hurricane Irene looks like.
I mean, it's not great, but it's great.
I'm gonna take y'all up there to a whole nother level.
You got other people out here posing under the tree. Man, I'll put this on the computer and let everybody see what this is about over here. Oh, I bet some damage happened to this car, man. Oh boy. Wow. We'll come back out here, maybe film some more of this. Look at how it just raised up the sidewalk like that.
Look, I'm coming to y'all from the eye of the storm. Some kind of about playing on bed of Hurricane Irene, right over here.
Crazy, we're getting hurricanes and earthquakes. New York never had stuff like this going on.